Helo, Eirian dwi, a dwi eisiau helpu chi efo uned 2. I want to help you with unit 2. In unit 2, you will learn how to talk about liking things and everyday activities. I will ask you to say things out loud during the video, so give it a go and don't be shy. Now, do you remember in uned 1, we learnt dwi. The verb bod, to be, is very important in Gymraeg. So, you say dwi plus yn plus verb. Dwi'n gwylio, I watch. Dwi'n darllen, I read. If you want to say that you like something, you use the same sentence structure. So, I like is dwi'n hoffi. A chi? Dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n hoffi coffee. I like is also said as dwi'n licio in some parts of Wales, but I like to say dwi'n hoffi because I like to say dwi'n hoffi coffee. But both are fine. So, repeat. Dwi'n hoffi coffee. Now, try something else. Use the word te and say the sentence. Dwi'n hoffi te. What about beth am spaghetti? Dwi'n hoffi spaghetti. And what about beth am prosecco? Dwi'n hoffi prosecco. A darllen. Dwi'n hoffi darllen. So, if you want to ask someone if they like something, you just start with wyt ti'n. Wyt ti'n hoffi. Okay, right, so, gwrandewch and repeat. Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Eto? Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? And the answer is ydw. Ydw. That's the yes. Ydw. Okay? Now, ask me, do I like tea? Wyt ti'n hoffi te? And the answer is nac ydw. Nac ydw. So, wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Ydw, say it. Wyt ti'n hoffi te? Nac ydw, say it. Yeah. Now this is the first person answer in the present, and it's literally I am, I do, or I'm not, I don't. Right, so ydw, nac ydw. Okay, right. I'm going to ask you, and you answer, honestly. Wyt ti'n hoffi pizza? Wyt ti'n hoffi curry? Ydw, nac ydw. To ask a group of people, you change to dachi. Dachi. Okay, you know sit dachi, and you say, dach chi'n hoffi coffee? And the answer is ydan, nac ydan. Dach chi'n hoffi pizza? And the answer is ydan, nac ydan. So I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to say ydan or nac ydan. Okay? Dach chi'n hoffi darllen? Ydan. Dach chi'n hoffi dawnsio? Dancing. Nac ydan. Okay? Yeah? But if you want to say that you don't like something, you put a ddim, the word ddim, no, between the dwi and the yn. Okay? So you say, dwi ddim yn hoffi coffee. Try it. Dwi ddim yn hoffi coffi. Dwi ddim yn hoffi siopa. Try it. And if you want to say that we don't like, we say dan ni ddim. Try that. Dan ni ddim. Dan ni ddim yn hoffi siopa. Dan ni ddim yn hoffi pizza. Dan ni ddim. Okay, so what have we learned so far? Dwi'n hoffi coffi. Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Ydw. Nac ydw. Dan ni'n hoffi coffi. Dach chi'n hoffi coffi? Ydan. Nac ydan. Dan ni ddim yn hoffi coffi. So I hope this little video has given you an overview of what is in Uned 2. Check out the online resources and look at Uned 2 in the coursebook. Hwyl fawr.